All right. I don't even know what day we're on now. Is it day 4? It's been a day yesterday. We went to bed, finally lights off at like 1:45 in the morning. And then I told Ollie I'll start at 6, but clearly my body didn't want to. And I slept through my alarm. Sorry, I'm trying to have the sun quite well behind me. So yeah, Ollie started at 5 already, and it's 7 now. I'm heading to him. He is busy with the rebars. I'm gonna help him now, and then 2 hours until the truck comes. So let's hope we can get it all done.
Yeah, good morning everyone. And this is the moment, the calm before the storm. We're waiting for the concrete truck to come. It's about an hour away, so it's time to get some coffee, and I still need to do a couple of little things, but the forms, we are pretty much ready for pouring, but I need to fix a few details.
Yeah, the yard is looking good. The sun, I was just standing here a little bit catching some sun rays because it's so gorgeous. Look how good the lake looks this morning as well. And yeah, I think we're both a bit sick of living in a construction site at the moment, but it's all going to be pretty amazing once it's done and complete. But yeah, I think Ollie's just going to go. We need to just do a little pillar. I'll actually kind of walk onto this and show you guys. Just climb on this wall here. So in between where the laundry room is going to be and the pillar, because that's an open space there where Ollie is now, there's a brick there, and he's standing right on top of it now. Let me zoom. And right there needs to be a pillar just for extra support for the roof of the carport that's gonna come there. Oh, wrong button. But yeah, it's all getting there. And the site, you can't see it now, the one that we were working so late at last night. I will actually, before the truck comes, I'll go do a quick video to show you guys the rebars that's now in place. So yeah, coffee time. Okay, just wanted to show you guys the rebar that we've done. So just to show you where the concrete's all going to go. So it is going to cover these forms. I'll just show now so you can see, but it's like very reinforced on all the sides. There's a little extra bar of rebar going down the bottom there. So we did this quickly this morning. Ollie had them all cut by the time I finally woke up, so then I just helped him put it all in place, and then we had to put these little lifters. I don't really know what the name is for those, but I helped him put that in, and then yeah, it's complete and ready now. Now we're just waiting for the concrete truck, and lucky for us, we can have an extra little moment to relax because they just called Ollie to say that they're coming at 10 p.m. and not 9. Sorry, what am I saying? I'm still tired. 10 a.m. and not 9 a.m. So we've got a few extra moments to just make sure everything is done and the final touches, and if there's anything else that we've missed. So yeah, and then it's gonna kind of look like this one, but not very much, but like it's gonna look like this one at the end. This has just got an extra wall that side because it's a completely different building. But yeah, this one basically looks the same as that one on the inside. Hey, the truck is like 30 minutes early. Ollie's just rushing now to get the last pillars in place. We need to quickly just do some rebars for that, but it's going quick. The guy is still, the truck is there, the guy is still setting up, securing the feet and all that sort of stuff. So it's happening. Okay, the boys are ready. The guy, he's got his remote there. He's just gonna bring the hose around here, and then we're gonna start filling these gaps. I'll put a time lapse on so you guys can see it a bit faster. scale from 1 to 10, how pissed off are you at me right now?
11.
Do you want to tell the people why?
My height control was a bit of more today, so we had like a 10 centimeters fuller fall than it's supposed to be, and then we ran out of it and we basically shoveled 1.5 cubes of concrete to level it up.
Yeah, that's not a great moment. Okay, so yeah, I did not take any footage of the end after the time-lapse video because my battery died, and then yeah, we obviously had to work fast because the concrete starts curing and we needed to level it all out and fix the situation that I caused for us because of the leveling situation. Yeah, it's not great. Obviously not very proud of myself, but we also Ollie's brother is also having a concrete day today at their lot, so we had to go and help, or we have to go and help. We're on our way there now in the car, and yeah, we were just a bit rushed for time, and that little screw up that I caused was not part of our plan. We were supposed to have been there an hour ago, and their concrete truck has arrived already, and yeah, I don't know, it's just one of those days with little sleep, and yeah, 1 cup of coffee so far, but I think it's really time for another one. Hey, also just another thing Ollie said I must add to the video, since I didn't take any footage of the end after we have leveled and taken the concrete and that whole situation. We covered it, or they covered it. Ollie and our neighbor came to help us because I was busy packing up the yard and getting everything ready so that we could go as soon as they were done. So covered it with plastic because it's a very hot day today, and then the concrete cures a lot faster. So if you cover it with the plastic, it, yes, correct me?
Hot in the Finnish scale.
So we cover it with plastic so that the humidity can keep it moist and the curing happens a bit slower, which is just better for this type of concrete that we got today. So yeah, I'll try to take some photos or videos while we're at his brother's place, but I think it's going to be all hands on deck there as well, because he's got a few locations that we need to put the concrete as well, and it's his first concrete pour, so yeah, it's going to be quite interesting. Okay, I don't think I can be any more tired than what I am right now. It is now 6:30, and yeah. Ollie, how do you feel?
Yeah, 2 concrete pours per 1 day. It's quite something.
Yeah, I think we're gonna sleep like logs tonight after a proper clean